Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make hand sanitizer from EVERCLEAR.
I'm living my best life. Yeah. I'm the whip pulling up, it's like dreams pulling up, I'm like
You guys, I had no idea that this was possible. I know people have been making hand sanitizer, but I personally didn't know you could. Like, I don't know. With everyone panic buying, I did not get a chance to get hand sanitizer. So one tip, someone did actually tell me that if you contact a compounding pharmacy, they can make hand sanitizer for you for like a cost. Obviously you have to pay for it, but the problem is a lot of these compounding pharmacies don't have materials anymore. Like I called one to have one made for me, but they didn't have any materials left to make any hand sanitizer. So fortunately, the guy told me how to make hand sanitizer, and usually you would make it from rubbing alcohol, but of course all the rubbing alcohol is sold out. He was like, well, you can use EVERCLEAR. So basically he told me everything I needed to make some hand sanitizer, which is literally 2 ingredients. So the first thing you're going to need obviously is your like alcohol base. You can use rubbing alcohol if you have. It needs to be, I believe, 90 to 95%, you know, potent, just like regular rubbing alcohol. Not the 81%, no, the 90 to 100 if you can. So the other thing you can use obviously is like alcohol that you drink. He was like, it has to be at least 92% alcohol if you're going to use an alcohol, and it has to be a grain alcohol, and it also needs to be above 180 proof, hence EVERCLEAR. He was like, they don't have EVERCLEAR, look for something with those, you know, specs. So the other thing that you will need, which I had, wait, where is it? Give me 1 second while I go grab it. Found it. So the other ingredient you're going to need is some glycerin. I got mine from Michael's because that was the only place I could find that had some. GNC has vegetable glycerin that you can use as a, you know, as a base mask. I don't know if this is vegetable or if it's fat. I'm going to assume that it's vegetable. I don't know. I just need to make some hand sanitizer. Basically, to make hand sanitizer that actually works, you need to have 1 part glycerin and then 4 parts of the alcohol base EVERCLEAR that we're gonna use. And if you know, if you want it to smell nice, you know what I'm saying, you can add a few drops of essential oils. I'm choosing lavender for this project. So let's get to work. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour your vegetable glycerin in the bowl. Then you're gonna take your EVERCLEAR. EVERCLEAR is 190 proof, 95% alcohol, and it's grain alcohol. It's 1. 2. 3. 4. So you're just gonna whisk all of that together. I'm going to add some essential oils. This is lavender, and I got this from Target. I'm just gonna add a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know, that seems like plenty. I can't really smell the lavender, so I'm gonna put a bit more. That's about maybe 20 drops in all. So you probably could have done all this in this bowl, but I wasn't sure how much it was going to yield. So I'm just gonna put everything in here. That way I can pour it into my little bottles that I got from Target. So that, you guys, is how you make hand sanitizer. I hope this video was informational and it was helpful. It was definitely helpful for me to know this information. One thing I will say is probably don't use as many drops as I use, because I forgot that it's actually an oil. So it actually You know, I just don't like my hands being super oily. But if you do, put as many drops as you like, but do be careful about that. I know we are running low on all these supplies here in America because everyone is panic buying. You know, if you were able to get your hands on any of these ingredients, that is how you can basically make some hand sanitizer for the low. Well, it's kind of expensive, I guess, but at least now you can make your own. Obviously, rubbing alcohol is cheaper. This was like $36 at the liquor store. I don't know. You also have to be 21 and up. If you don't have glycerin or you can't find any glycerin, you can always use aloe vera gel. So that's something to consider. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful for you. I now have some hand sanitizer. It smells really good and I'm really happy about this. So I'm gonna keep this one in my car because the things I've seen in the past few days of people just not being sanitary in public. So thank you guys once again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, join the fam, follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And yeah, stay safe. Stay safe, y'all. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you and God bless. Bye.